to the right. It's where the morning sun spills gentle light. The coffee's hot and the folks settle in, sharing stories about the places they've been. That old diner booth holds 1,000 tales of love and heartbreak, of wins and fails. It's a home away from a home that's worn, a place to mend where souls get torn. Tobacco-stained wood, the vinyl seats cracked. There's secrets in those cushions, tales unpacked. A waitress named Sue knows everyone's name. She'll pour you a cup if you've got no change. The farmers come early, smelling like hay, telling tall tales about yesterday. The truckers drop by,